Let's talk control plans. Hey there, fellow engineers. My name is Astro, and I'm thrilled to guide you today. We're diving into a crucial tool, the production control plan. Think of it as the ultimate recipe for consistent product quality. It's our secret weapon for keeping quality high and customers happy. The control plan ensures the millionth gadget is as perfect as the first. It's a proactive system to catch issues before they escalate. This journey will show you how this document is key to mastering manufacturing. By the end, you'll see it as a powerful tool for building better products. It's a fundamental skill that will set you apart in your career. So, grab your curiosity and let's explore production control. What is a production control plan? Let's break it down. It's a detailed guide for quality actions at each manufacturing step. It standardizes checks, ensuring consistent quality across shifts. The plan focuses on monitoring key product and process characteristics. It helps detect variations early, preventing defective parts. Essentially, it bridges engineering design and factory reality. The control plan translates design specs into actionable steps. It ensures the customer's voice is respected throughout manufacturing. Without it, maintaining quality in high-volume production is tough. It's a disciplined approach, turning quality goals into daily reality. The control plan is the single source of truth for quality control. It's critical for stable performance during full-scale production. Every product has a life, from idea to retirement. The control plan shines in APQP Phase 4. Product and process validation. It becomes active after the production part approval process, PPAP. Once approved, the control plan is the factory floor's law. It lasts the product's entire life, guiding every part produced. The plan is for full-scale, validated mass production. It ensures the process runs at intended speed and capacity. The control plan is a continuous commitment to quality. It monitors for trouble as we produce thousands of parts. The control plan focuses on critical product features. We measure what truly matters to the customer and function. Critical to quality characteristics are our focus. The plan specifies measurement tools and methods. It ensures gauges are calibrated for accuracy. Statistical tools like SPC and MSA are mandatory. SPC tracks process stability. MSA ensures measurement reliability. The control plan mandates these methods for world-class quality. Let's delve into SPC and MSA. SPC is a health monitor for your manufacturing process. Control charts track stability, not just spec compliance. MSA ensures measurement, accuracy, and reliability. The control plan mandates MSA studies for critical features. Reaction plans guide actions when SPC shows issues. They provide clear steps to contain and fix problems. A typical reaction plan: escalate, stop, fix, resume. It ensures quick, effective responses to out-of-control conditions. A control plan is a team effort with customer involvement. Customers approve the initial plan and monitor performance. They review your control plan during audits and scorecards. The plan links to the process flow diagram and PFMEA. PFMEA identifies risks. The control plan manages them. It specifies control methods for high-risk areas. The plan ensures control efforts focus on critical risks. It's a data-driven way to prevent failures before reaching customers. This partnership drives continuous improvement and quality assurance. Let's explore a car door trim panel example. Our control plan ensures every panel is perfect. It covers process steps like injection molding and final assembly. Critical checks include melt temperature and color consistency. Operators use calibrated tools for precise measurements. Reaction plans address issues like color mismatches. Functional features like clip strength are tested regularly. The control plan ensures every detail is controlled. It guarantees quality from appearance to function. The production control plan is a manufacturing superstar. It's the blueprint for excellence in mass production. The plan is approved by quality, engineering, and production teams. It integrates with digital systems for seamless operation. The plan drives data-based decision-making across the organization. It ensures consistency, risk management, and operator empowerment. The plan reduces waste and keeps customers happy. It drives continuous improvement with valuable data insights. Mastering the control plan is key to engineering success. It unites design, process, and people for flawless execution. Use it wisely and you'll be a quality hero in no time.